Good day. We are here today to present Web 2.0 and the vast array of benefits it can provide to your company. Web 2.0 is a term used to refer to the latest generation of social media and interaction-based websites that create online user communities. They allow users to interact in a variety of ways. At the center is social media, tools and platforms that allow users to share any and all of their experiences through posting videos, photos, stories, and the such. We can see from this framework that where Web 1.0 is very linear, a transaction gives feedback, Web 2.0 is much more complex and interdependent, with interactions and contributions creating conversations. The more top-down approach of Web 1.0 becomes a more innovative bottom-up approach, where things like inspiration are in the hands of the consumers as opposed to the executives, and the key business drivers are consumer needs. So what's happening across key Web 2.0 applications at present? Well, there are 3.5 billion pieces of content shared every week on Facebook, over 27.3 million tweets per day on Twitter. Internet users view 2 billion YouTube videos every day. 700,000 businesses in the US have Facebook pages with over 5.3 billion fans across them, and 70% of bloggers are talking about products and brands on their blogs. Your company have recently launched Zonda, a fizzy drink battling in a market dominated by Coca-Cola and Pepsi. For Zonda to achieve any success, you should create a Web 2.0 solution tailored around the Slates model, which dictates search, links, authorship, tagging, extensions, and signals to be key in the structure of the solution. The image illustrates how the Fortune 100 index companies, clearly a good model of successful businesses to relate to, are leveraging social media. Firstly, it identifies Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and blogs as the primary Web 2.0 tools that are being used, and shows that over 80% of the 100 companies use at least one of them, with close to 30% using all of them. Firstly, Facebook. Facebook is the most used social network site with 517 million users. A Facebook page will allow users to instantly find Zonda through search engines and allow members to become engaged with the brand through wall posts, videos, events, comments, and hence can also be used as a feedback mechanism. Other benefits include increased interaction amongst its customers, focusing web traffic to Zonda, and others listed on this slide. This image illustrates the activity on Facebook pages of the Fortune 100 companies and illustrates, most importantly, the level of activity between those companies and their fans, with 59% of pages with posts from those companies and 43% of posts from fans. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing network, exceeding 2 billion views every day with 455 million users around the world. With features as shown on this slide being a fraction of the extensive list of benefits, it is no surprise that 94 of Advertising Age's top 100 advertisers have run campaigns on YouTube. With auto-sharing capabilities and the fact that hundreds of millions of videos are also watched every month on mobile devices, the number of YouTube display ads increased tenfold last year, with partner revenue tripling. This graph represents recent activity on YouTube, and with its apparent increase in popularity, it is crucial that you appreciate that 35% of YouTube's users have bought something that they have seen advertised there. With TV advertising costs ranging from £10,000 to well over £100,000, as a free resource, YouTube's benefits should be utilized to full potential. Twitter is a social media microblogging service that enables users to send and read messages called tweets. Using tweets, companies can create brand awareness, keeping their brand in the forefront of its customers' minds. It can engage with its customers, manage its reputation, receive feedback on its various products and activities, as well as all the other benefits listed on the slide. The image shows how these Fortune 100 companies have similarly implemented Twitter to take advantage of the benefits aforementioned. Key to note are the 82% of companies are tweeting their news feeds, and 38% are responding to people's tweets. A business blog is a platform where companies can discuss business-related topics and share their expertise online with potential customers, interested clients, or their employees. The ability to create your own domain name, produce links to company websites, as well as posting details about the company's developments, help develop brand image, as well as the retention of existing customers and the gaining of new ones. This graph shows recent activity as per those corporate blogs over a period of 1 month. We can see that more than half of those corporate blogs have been met with viewer responses. Outlined on this slide are those statistics associated with Coca-Cola's deployment of Web 2.0, from which we can appreciate its effectiveness and forecast its potential for Zonda. Here are some examples of Coca-Cola's pages on Facebook, with clear interaction between users in the center. Its YouTube page with distinct Coke red background and its latest Christmas video advert. Its Twitter page with casual posts to users. And its blog. In summary, we hope that we have given you an insight into the potential benefits that would arise from an investment in Web 2.0, namely the low costs, low risks, and high visibility of the brand after development. As a competitor of your company, Coca-Cola have fully employed Web 2.0 strategies, increasing brand value, brand image, shareholder value, as well as revenue and profitability. We cannot commend this use of Web 2.0 enough and fully recommend your engagement in deploying these strategies briefly outlined in order to keep up with competitors and develop competitive advantage. Thank you for listening, and we'd like to leave you with a parting image that we feel summarizes the key concepts involved in developing a Web 2.0 solution for your company.